In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add users to NordVPN. By the end, you'll know exactly how to invite someone to your meshnet and control what they can access, all in a few clear clicks. First, open NordVPN on your computer and make sure you're signed in with an active subscription. If you've just updated the app, give it a moment to load your dashboard. This is where you'll find MeshNet, NordVPN's secure way to connect devices and people as if they're on the same private network. Now, look at the left sidebar and open MeshNet. Inside MeshNet, go to the Devices section. This is where your own devices and any linked external devices will appear. If MeshNet is new to you, think of it as a secure encrypted tunnel that lets you share files, route traffic, or access local services between trusted devices. Next, click Link Devices. This brings up options for adding more connections. You'll see a choice to link your own devices or to connect with someone outside your account. Choose Link External Device. That's the option that lets you add another person to your MeshNet. In the invite field, type the email address of the person you want to add. Double check for typos. If the email is off by even one character, the invite won't reach them. It's best to use the email they use for their Nord account so they can accept quickly. Before sending, review the permissions. You can allow receiving files, which enables secure file transfers between you and the invited device. You can allow traffic routing, which lets their internet traffic securely route through your device or vice versa. Useful for sharing a specific location or network. You can grant local network access, giving them the ability to reach services on your network, like a media server or shared printer, as if they're on your Wi-Fi. And you can remove access at any time if you no longer need the connection. Only enable what's necessary for your use case and keep security in mind. Share access with people you trust. When you're ready, click Send Invitation. The person will receive an email, and once they accept it in their NordVPN app, their device will appear in your MeshNet devices list. If they don't see the invite right away, ask them to check their spam or try again later. That's all there is to it. You've added a user to NordVPN via MeshNet, set the right permissions, and kept control over access. You can repeat these steps to invite more people whenever you need.